Hello guys, I'm come back with new topics and today I'll show you how you can unsend message from your iPhone. So if you want to learn on these topics, you can stay with me. Otherwise, you can skip on this video. All right. So today I'll show you. So if you want to learn, then you should go like message option, and if just look and find if you message to on somebody. For example, if I message like this, and if you want to just unsend, then you can just hold sometime and go more option, then you can just tap on the delete icon and delete. So if you want to like this, and that's it. It's pretty easy, and let me know if you have any problem, then I will try to replace as soon as possible. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.